So how do you get rid of archive within your page titles? Well, today I'm going to show you how. Here I have a custom archive page for a custom post type called Guides Archive. And it really should be our guides, helpful WordPress guides from MRKWP, something like that. So let's go into the dashboard and we go to Yoast on the sidebar and then click Settings. And within those settings, I'm going to go to Guides. Now I do have the premium version of this on, so you can see that I have social appearance premium. That may not appear for you, but that's okay because we're not using that. We're going to scroll down a little bit further, and here we have the search appearance for the archive for guides and search results. And here is the SEO title, and that's what is being shown. So I'm going to select all of that and delete it and say helpful WordPress guides, just like that, nothing else. So that's good enough for me. Helpful WordPress guides, that's what the page is. Gonna go save like that. There we go. Now I go back to my page, and the trick here is to also make sure that you clear your cache. I use WP Rocket, so I'm gonna go clear and preload cache like so. And there we go. Helpful WordPress guides is now the page title.